Shall we play, Doctor?
Super genius superheroes, Iron Man and the Hulk.
When?
Hulk would win, but I'd try to get him drunk first, so he was off his game.
Are you worth your weight in gold? 'Cause you're behind my eyelids when I'm all alone. Hey, stranger, I want ya to catch me like a cold. You and God both got the guns, and when you shoot, I think I duck. I led the revolution in my bedroom, and I set all the zippers free. We said no more war, no more clothes, give me peace. Ow!
Nothing?
Nothing like, it's pretty easy to beat up a drunk guy.
Yes, especially a drunk Hulk.
Very special relationship between Iron Man and the Hulk.
Yeah?
Tony Banner.
And fusion at any reactor on the planet.
Finally. Someone who speaks English.
Put my heart at ease.